Hey guys, welcome back to my beginner's portrait series tips and tricks. In our last video, we shared few useful tips and tricks regarding the portrait painting. Now today what we are going to do is we are going to make skin tones with the help of basic color. Yes, you heard me right. So let's begin. So here I'll be taking first is titanium white. Next color would be red, that is pyrrole red. Any brand is fine, again I'm saying. This is cadmium yellow hue. Orange color, yellow ochre, burnt sienna, little bit of blue. I'll be sharing that reference picture with you. In case you want to paint, you can paint along with me. So what I'm gonna do is I'll be taking lots of white. In this I'm adding red. So what you have to do is you have to make a pink color. This is the easiest way of painting a portrait. Here mostly colors are readily available. Only one or two color I'll be mixing. I'll be giving you a swatch here. Take this pink color, add orange. You can make orange by adding red and yellow also. Mix orange and you get there's one more color. Okay, let me give it a swatch. In this you can add more white. In this also you can add more white and make color for your highlight. See, this is the color which we are going to use for our highlight. Mostly we need to add lots of white in this. For yellow undertone, so in this color only what we are going to do is we are going to add little yellow. You can see it will start turning little yellow. Add little more white in this. Let me take little more white here. In this you can add little white. So as per the reference picture, you can add extra yellow, white as per requirement. So here there is a yellow undertone we got. As you can see, there are so many shadows. So for that what you are gonna do is take this color, add little bit, very little of burnt sienna in this, and you got the color for your shadow. So as per your requirement you can change the quantity. So this we can use for making the shadow. Let me give it a swatch. You can see this color you can use for making shadow. In this also you can add white. And again, when there is a very light shadow, you can use this. See, let me make it more clear, as my brush is already holding so much of color. See, there's a light shadow. Now, sometime there's some greenish sort of color we see while painting. What you can do is take yellow ochre. Okay, let me mix it here. Take yellow ochre, very little bit of this blue. This blue is actually cobalt blue hue. You can get this type of green color. Okay, for painting the undertone we are going to use this color. In this you need to add white. So you'll get something like this by which you can paint undertone. Let me swatch it. So for painting the green undertone we can use this color. Hope this video is helpful to you. Do give it a try and let me know in the comment section. In our next class, we are going to start portrait painting. For that, stay connected. and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.